No sé si se ve.
Quería que it won't yell. Because it's all on film.
Yeah, I still got my conscience set on.
It's coming worse. Try to hear it.
This is part of Tropical Storm Faye.
The wind is
Being filmed with my digital camera, so forgive me for the lack of details. So like I can zoom in with this thing.
Hold on to my baby.
I hear the noises, something flying.
I feel the wind starting to pick up like it's
Yes, look at the, how is the next thing, the cloud,
Whoa.
the wind, look at the wind.
Oh my god, look at that.
This is like a tornado. Look at the tornado. Oh, now it's coming a tornado. Mira.
Shit! This is going inside.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's the tornado. That's a that's.
This is a tornado.
Or I don't know what it is. But
We have to go inside.
oh my god.
That's look at there. We can see ahora se ve claridad. Pero es por el viento. No la vamos a prestar la cámara. Vamos a
Where's the door you're getting water?
Can you go inside?
go inside. Can
No, I'm smoking a cigarette. I don't care. I've been in the
Smoke
rain
it.
all day today.
Oh my god.
I'm taking
que
this
no
shit
se
on all
moje
day.
la cámara. Ahora sí que ya nos tapó todo, no se ve nada el viento. Mira
Look.
las torres de enfrente, no se vean.
Sounds like hell.
Yeah. You can't see anything. A second ago it was
Se
so
cayó la lana. Vamos,
Cool. That's badass.
sí, es badass, es badass. This is freaking strong.
This is badass. I like it.
It's getting worse inside the apartment. We have the tornado here in this moment.
Look at that. You can't even see the building.
I know.
I got my glasses.
I can't see it either.
Yeah, my glasses are all wet, so I
No
can't
se
see
ve
it.
nada.
You can see here too how the everything is.
Está pasando la banda de la tormenta por acá en este momento. Porque son bandas.
We are very brave people.
Ya se está yendo, mira, ya está viendo de nuevo bien.
Look.
Se está haciendo pasando la banda y se está viendo.
I went through Hurricane Andrew, remember?
Yeah.
This is shit.
This is nothing.
I grew up with tornadoes.
This is nothing.
This is nothing. It's gone. That weird how the wind changes direction. I blow my smoke out there, go that way for a minute, and then come right back over.
This is what it's
Yeah, we ought to throw a cow down here so when we walk in and out, we're gonna have tracks all over the frickin' house.
I have to.
And my wife will make me mop the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mira,
Now it's getting better.
Yeah, we can see the building.
I can see again everything.
That was scary though, man.
That was cool. It's like adrenaline rush, right?
I know.
Come on, baby.
Because there's still a tornado watch and everything. So I was like, shit, is that a tornado?
It's a couple of seconds.
Well, we can even get a water fountain. The water's right there.
Oh yeah.
You know, that's why we did. It'll be a water fountain.
That could have been it, because then he broke up on the
On the
buildings.
buildings, yeah.
I will bring more.
You just bring a towel.
Yeah.
One of the ones out of the dirty laundry, sweetheart.
This is so YouTube material. I'm having a
Sure.
just as it is, like that.
Yeah. It's getting wet though.
Yeah.
You all disposed of my ass for that.
Oh, it's inside, but you know, it would have if the wind would have disposed of it anyways.
I got water on the floor to put it out.
That's not my phone.
Que vea Faye, Katy. Ponelo en YouTube.
Look at this where I'm standing.
In fact, once this band is over, I could put it right now.
Pretty much over. I think it's going to be like in the middle of the night. It's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. I've watched so many storms, but never this close to the ocean.
Yeah.
I've never been right here when a hurricane's coming. I watched my house fly apart down in Homestead. Andrew watched the whole roof go gone. Shit. Shit. It's getting wet here. Figured the whole second half of the storm it rained on us inside the house. So sucks when it's raining in your house.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have an umbrella.
In your house.
Yeah.
I think my umbrella is in the car.
We was using the mattress for a roof. I had holding the mattress up over it. My feet against the door. And I remember the refrigerator door in there going bam, 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 bam. That was badass. I want to know.
That was so cool, and I filmed it. I got it right on film when it was coming, right when it came.
It was cool as it came through the building, you know?
I know, it was scary. I really,
right after each building.
I really freaked for a second because it really looked like a
tornado.
Yeah, and it probably was, but it
Come along like a hurricane. I'm waiting for all the lightning.
That was so cool.
Well, I think that one's pretty much over.
Yeah, I can't make this so long or it won't fit.
Yeah, I think that one's over.
I think
That was a good one.
Now it's quiet.
that was
It's raining, but it's quiet.
but that was a good one though.
Oh yeah, that goes perfect because you
That was cool.
It was
Going through the
cool.
buildings like that. That was cool.
I can put it on the computer right now, and they'll hear all our chatter in the background.
Send it to Channel 7.
Yeah. On the TV we have this.
This is what happens in Sunny Isles.
Well, that's it. The rest is boring.
That's it.